Hey guys, it's Woody, and this is Tech Tuesday, a weekly series where I take a technical topic and break it down. There's a bunch of stuff I want to do about the internet. I want to explain routing, I want to explain network address translation, I want to explain DDoSing. This week, DNS. So, when you use the internet, you probably type in things like facebook.com, google.com, reddit.com, whatever. But the internet doesn't work on things like that. Those are things for humans to remember. The internet actually works on IP addresses like this one. But that's not really friendly for humans. So there's a system called domain name system where they translate numbers like this to names that you're used to using. In your house, your router gives your computer an IP address, most likely through DHCP. Another topic for another video. When it does that, it also gives it some other information. And one of those things is which DNS server you should use to translate things like facebook.com into an IP address. As you spend your day surfing the web, going to youtube.com, facebook.com, google.com, this DNS server along the way is giving you IP addresses. You're giving it names, it's giving you numbers. That's what it does. Most of the time, it'll be able to work just as easily as that. Now, sometimes your local DNS server isn't going to know. Maybe you're visiting some pretty wrecked up websites and you're the first one in your area to have visited that lately. Well, if that's the case, then you're going to have to do this the hard way, and I'll explain. There are too many websites and too many computers on the internet for one machine to have all the answers. So it's broken down in the same way that problems are broken down in real life space. Let's say hypothetically I wanted to drive from New Jersey to Seattle. I wouldn't say, hey, how do I get to 123 Main Street in Seattle? Instead, I'd say, how do I get to Seattle? And then once I got nearby, I'd ask somebody in that zone of authority. Zone of authority, by the way, is the DNS term for the name server that is the authority on that website. Remember earlier we asked, our local DNS server, probably Time Warner, or Comcast, or Google or something, hey, what's the answer for this? And they knew. Well, they gave you a non-authoritative answer. They gave you an answer that was cached. There are other name servers that can give you the authoritative answer, and if yours doesn't know, then this is the process. So if you're denied by the local DNS server, then it asks the root server. And the root server doesn't know, but it says, facebook.com? Yeah, go ask the .com name servers. They'll know. And then it goes to the .com name servers. And it says, yeah, I don't know exactly, but I know who to ask. Go to the facebook.com name servers. They'll tell you. And then you ask the facebook.com name servers, and they say, aha, this is it. And then it spouts out that list of numbers that we're all used to seeing as an IP address. That's how it works. And then the next time you need to go to that site, the next time you or someone near you who uses the same local DNS server as you has to hit it, it'll have a cached version. They tend to cache these IP addresses for a couple of hours, which is why if I make a new website right now, it won't be a day. It might take a day or two for everybody to be able to find it, because it takes a day or two for that IP address to propagate to all the different DNS servers. That is how DNS works. If you like this video, be sure to drop it a like. There's a whole bunch more like it on the left, where there's my Tech Tuesday playlist, and Mail Monday on the right. Sub if you're new. Have a good day.